Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Valerie at TexasCountryWife. I am excited, and this is also my first grocery haul, and I figured what better way to start than with this bounty that I just got back from my little Brookshire store with. That's right, I live in a little town in Texas, and we have a little store called Brookshire's. And this week, they had these beautiful round rump roasts on sale. Buy one, get one for a penny. Now that original price is $5.99 a pound. Well, you buy one, you get one for a penny. That makes that $3 a pound. I am going to be back with a video to show you how to can this, to put it on your shelf to be stable and edible for your family. I've been waiting. We were just out of chicken. These were on sale, boneless, skinless chicken breasts for $1.99 a pound. And yes, I got 3 packages. That is also going in the canner and in my freezer. And then they had grapes on sale for only $1.29 a pound. So those would be great this week. And I got us some little bun roll thingies here on the clearance rack for 50 cents. I was out of baking powder. Well, I wasn't out of it, but I found out that mine expired 2 years ago. So now I have baking powder again. And that doesn't expire until November of 23. It's upside down, isn't it? That's right, November of 23. So we're good there. Good for a couple, well, good for a year? Yeah. And then they had the little grape tomatoes on sale for 77 cents a package. Haven't had any of those all summer. They've been too expensive. Yep, I got the limit. I got 4. Delicious. So, this is my shopping haul, and I am so excited that I decided to share it with you. I wasn't going to do shopping haul videos, but this one I decided to. And I will show you how to can chicken, and I will show you how to can beef roast. These are going in our bellies. These are going in our bellies. And that's to make some more pumpkin goodies to show y'all. So my total came to $65.99. I'm excited. Over the moon. Happy. Had to share. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to can this beef and this chicken.